Myths were warnings, not stories. Across 3 ancient worlds, 16 figures shaped our vision of destiny, the cursed and the divine. Rome begins with a symbol, a wolf nursing 2 abandoned children, Romulus and Remus. More than a myth, it became a political emblem used to legitimize power and destiny. Aeneas, survivor of Troy, carrying his father on his back, binds Greek heroism to Roman identity. His journey becomes the foundation of an empire. In Roman homes, the lairs watched over families and crossroads. They reveal that Rome was built not only by armies, but by the protection of the hearth and the everyday. Rome was not born from a god. It was born from a story, and that story became more powerful than any deity. Condemned to push a stone for eternity, Sisyphus embodies the tragedy of ambition, a warning against the arrogance of mortals. Tantalus stands in water he cannot drink, beneath fruit he cannot reach. His punishment teaches the cost of betrayal. Ixion, bound to a burning wheel, reminds us that some lines between mortals and gods must never be crossed. Prometheus stole fire, consciousness itself, and suffers eternally for giving humans the power to think. Pandora opens a jar that releases hardship into the world. Her act confronts humanity with responsibility and the complexity of existence. The Greeks created eternal punishments to define the limits of humanity. Each torment is a philosophical lesson. Erato, muse of lyric poetry, preserved myths before writing existed. Without her, ancient stories would have vanished. Clio, muse of history, transforms memory into identity. She gives meaning to the past. Jupiter is the guardian of law, order, and the social contract, the divine architect of stability. Arachne, punished for surpassing a goddess with her art, reveals the tension between human creativity and divine perfection. Myths are not just stories. They are tools to understand art, memory, law, and creation. Dagda commands life, death, time, and music. His harp can change the seasons and bend the world. Cuchulainn enters a terrifying battle rage beyond human limits. The fiercest hero of the Celtic world. The Banshee announces the death of noble bloodlines, a voice between worlds, carrying the weight of legacy. The sea are sovereign peoples of a parallel realm, a structured otherworld as real to the Celts as the land itself. For the Celts, the invisible was not a mystery. It was a parallel world, structured and sovereign. 16 figures, 3 civilizations. Their myths still shape us. They wait to be heard.